light, power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire, potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar, in the dark, lost desire. Purchase card, echo loud, through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hello Aquarius, so welcome to your reading. So this is for February of 2025 reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So ibang reading din po yung nandoon ha. Meron din po tayong February of 2025 reading. Ayan. Nagla-live po tayo doon. That's interactive. Pwede kayong magtanong, no? Medyo late lang kung medyo late din kayo dumating because I am answering questions in order. Ayan. So I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Aquarius, magsimula na tayo. So ngayon, ang sabi mo dito, I'm done with taking care of other people, no? Parang sinasabi mo dito, parang ang sobra ko naman, unless meron kang plano na magpa-canonize, no? Plano mo bang maging santo, santa? But I feel like that is not what is in store for me, no? Parang sinasabi mo sa sarili mo, siguro hindi naman ako masamang tao na nagawa kong magkalinga, unahin, no? Ang mga tao na kapaligid sa akin. This is not just because of yung sabihin natin ditong hindi tayo sa nanunumbat, no? Pero madami-dami tayong nagawa. Ngayon, I feel like meron taong nag-betray, no? Of all the people, no? Ikaw pa yung inaasahan ko, ikaw nga yung inaasahan ko. Sa'yo ako nag-focus masyado, no? Ikaw pa yung gagawa sa akin ng ganito. Hindi ko inaasahan na kaya mo pala akong saktan ng ganito. Now, this goes, again, in general. Pwede itong sa family, pwede itong sa friends, pwede itong sa partner, no? Boyfriend, girlfriend, what have you. Classmate, katrabaho, no? The Ten of Swords and the Wheel of Fortune. Yan. So, yun ang naging parang boundary natin, no? Na naging nakuhaan ka, no, ng something very important to you. You know, Wheel of Fortune, medyo malaki-laki ito, but the Wheel of Fortune, it doesn't always represent money. All right, Wheel of Fortune, something represents or represents something very valuable to us. Ano nga ba ang valuable as of the moment? No? Sa iba, literally, o sige, nakuhaan mo ako ng malaking pera, that's something valuable to me. Yung iba, nakuha mo yung peace of mind ko, which is somehow, yung sa iba naman, it's more valuable than money. Kasi ang abundance sa akin, aanhin ko nga yung madaming pera kung sira naman ang tulog ko, kung hindi naman ako, yung isip ko hindi nakakapagpahinga. No, yun ang importante sa iba. Sometimes yung relationship is valuable, it depends on the person. Now, this is something really valuable to you na parang sinira niya, tinanggal niya, kinuha niya, ninakaw, no? And ngayon parang sinasabi mo with the Page of Pentacles in here, dapat ko pa bang ituloy, no? Kasi ang makikita mo dito, hawak mo pa rin naman, somehow, hindi na lang ganun, kalaki, it should be this much, pero medyo malaki pa rin naman. Pero malaki pa rin yung nawala. Pagkakatiwala ko ba sa'yo to? Ibibigay ko pa ba sa'yo ito? No? Ang nakikita kasi natin dito, parang sinasabihan ka ng sarili mo, this is sort of you as well, pero in a form of, sabihin natin spirit animal, no? In a form of your logic, in a form of your dreams, aspirations, intuition, no? Nasabihan ko, ayan ka na naman. Um, sure ka ba? Isusugal mo pa rin yan, no? You're about to take risk, or you still have what it takes to take risk. Pero ang iniisip mo dito, sandali, no? With the death card, ito yung parang sinasabi nating things may happen again, no? Or this can also be the end of your being generous to that person or to those people, no? And there is a rebirth of someone new. Someone new, it could be a someone, um, a new person deep inside of you. So I will, parang sabihin natin, ah, kailangan kong patayin ang dating ako para mag-rebirth or para mabuhay ang bagong ako, no? So, sabihin natin, I'm no longer that person anymore. Kung meron ka man na mga gustong sabihin sa akin, na mga kasalanan ko dati, I'm sorry, no? Wala na siya. Ibang pagkatao na yon. Parang sinasabi mo sa akin na pumunta ka sa dati kong bahay, nilooban mo ako, kala mo may nakuha ka. I'm sorry, hindi na ako doon nakatira. Sa'yo na yun, basura na yun. I'm leaving something somewhere else, no? So, parang sinasabi mo dito, you need to reinvent yourself as well with the King of Pentacles. Ang nakikita natin dito, what's your goal here? Mabawi, no? I think that you did this situation that happened to you, sinasabi mo dito na this is just, or this will be my learning experience, and you will always look back to this situation, no, as your guide para makamtan, no. And it doesn't matter if it comes from anger, and it doesn't matter if it comes from inspiration. You're using this, the stone, no, as your stepping ground, no. With the Knight of Cups, yeah, hindi ganun kadali. There are also moments, no, with the Knight of with the Five of Cups rather, na medyo iniisip pa rin natin na kung malaki-laking nawala ito, ang hirap ibalik. Yeah, meron tayong mga moments na hindi natin nagaguard yung sarili natin, dumadating talaga yung pagiging sentimental natin, no? Sana nasa akin pa rin 'to. Pero kung titignan naman natin 'to, kasi the Five of Cups is a regret or, crying over a spilled cups, 'no? So ito yung sinasabi niyang medyo malaki nga. It should be a Five of Cups, pero kung makikita mo tatlo lang naman yung, or tatlo, wag nating ilang, malaki yon. Pero may natitira pang two, no, dun sa likod. So sa likod na yun, if we will just focus on those two, baka pwede natin i-invest yung sarili natin, yung attention natin dito, and to make the most out of it. Pwede natin i-invest ito, no, para mag-grow, para mabawi natin yung Three of Cups. Now, you know what I mean on this. But with the Seven of Swords, eto na, dumating na yung part na medyo hesitant ka na ngayon sa mga tao. Mataas na ang ating, probably, mataas na ang ating expectations, mataas na rin ang ating doubts, or, ano ba yung tawag natin doon? Mataas na ang ating hindi may tawag doon trust issues. There you go. Mataas na ang ating trust issues. With the Three of Cups, ni halos ayaw, it should be a celebration. Pero ngayon siguro, to a point na ayaw mo na rin magsalita. Oy, meron ako nakuhang bonus. Oy, meron akong ganito. Oy, meron akong ganyan. Dati kung pala post tayo ngayon, mas sinasabi natin, baka may evil eye dito sa paligid ko, no? With the Three of Cups, parang sinasabi mo, kung merong magse-celebrate, ako na lang, or baka talagang konting-konti lang, no, yung makakaalam. I don't really trust any more person. With the Nine of Pentacles in here, this is your harvest. So, kung meron mang karma, ikaw na nakuha, And you think that this is your karma. No, it's not. With the harvest in here, madami tayong pwedeng natutunan. Maibabalik, hindi man yung ganun karami na katulad ng nawala, nasa na yung Five of Cups, eto, yung ganito kadaming nawala, pero unti-unti naman siya, almost the Ten of Pentacles, the Nine, no? So parang nakikita ko, mababawi naman natin siya paunti-unti because we're doing it gradually at wag natin din mabilisin dahil again, this is a healing process, no? So parang sinasabi mo ngayon is, um, una sa lahat, or bago ang iba, uunahin ko muna ang aking sarili, no? Ah, Hindi sa pagdadamot, pero walang taong ibang makakatulong sa akin kundi ako lang, no? So napakagandang reading, Aquarius. So tingnan natin ang zodiac sign, pero bago 'yan, gusto ko lang ipaalala na sa kabilang channel po dun tayo nagla-live, interactive, pwede kayong magtanong, no? Ibang reading din po yung nandoon. Again, kung hindi kayo nakaka-resonate dito, baka nandun po ang inyong reading. Alright? So, Aquarius, um, kung hindi niyo po naabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayong magtanong doon dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung feeling ninyo hindi kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating description box. Nandun po ang ating link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, question form, amount per question, name, number, QR code for your reference. And I also created a 4 questions plus 1 to take advantage of it. That's discounted price. If you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So Aquarius, tingnan natin ang zodiac sign ng person mo or those people involved. I'm seeing Taurus, Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer, Sagittarius, Virgo, Capricorn. Scorpio is very dominant, and Sagittarius again. So this is your reading. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want